Good morning, Year 5, and welcome to Maths this morning. So we're going to look at solving problems. Okay, so yesterday you were looking at compare and ordering decimals. Today we're really going to focus on solving problems where we have to compare and order decimals. So it's just applying the skill that you looked at yesterday and just applying it to some more test type sort of questions. So moving through, we have got here, think of a larger number. Okay, and think of a number larger and a number smaller than this decimal. Thinking about our decimals, so the way we would approach that is, right, I know that's 2.342. Okay, can I think of a decimal larger than 2.342? Well, yeah, I can. I can think of any number. It's not asking for a certain one. So I'm just going to say a large number is going to be 3.342 and one that is smaller, 1.342. All I've changed is the ones column. You can change any column when you should make it larger and change any column with a bigger number and that'll make it larger. Any column with a smaller number. So for example, if I just change this one, so a smaller number, 2.342, that's the same. But if I make any one of these numbers less, it makes the number smaller. So even if I change the thousandths, that is a smaller number than that. Okay, so it's really important that when you know, if it's not giving you a certain amount that you need to make it larger than or smaller than by, then you can just change any digit, larger, a larger digit, smaller, a smaller digit, and then you have got the correct answer. So, destination today, these are sort of questions you're going to have today. Louise made a number between 5.81 and 6.6 and 3/10 using counters on a place value mat. 6 of the counters have fallen off. List 3 possibilities of what Louise's number could be. So, I'm thinking 5.81. Okay, so what I would do is 5. And then there'd be 8, 1. So there'd be 8 of these. 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's in the ones column. I'd say 8 of those should go there. Okay, that'd be 5.81. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, a bit smaller. That's a bit big. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then looking here, let me just change the color. I will have yellow. 1. There's 1 there, sorry. So that is what the number 5.81 looks like. 5.81 and 6 and 3/10. So 6 here and 3/10. So if I had 6 and 3/10, I've got 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3/10. If I have there 3/10, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now she says here 6 of the counters have fallen off, but it's got to be between this number and this number. So for example, if 1 fell off, there we go. Okay. So 1 could fall off, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 of those have fallen off. So one possibility of these two, or there's 2 possibilities here, 2 numbers. So I've got 5.4 and 5 and 6.2. Now, is that correct? Have I done that correct? Well, actually, I haven't, because here the number is between 5.81. So these have got to stay. These ones have got to stay. This has got to stay as 5.81. Okay, so your counters can only come from here. Okay, so 6 of them have fallen off. Think of different ways different methods that you can take 6 off. So for example, 1 would come off. Okay, what other counters could I have? I could have some thousandths ones. I could have some tenths. Okay, think of the different methods that you could have. Your task then is to move on to the 2 sheets. So you got task 1 and task 2. Remember, bronze, you do task page 1 of both of the sheets. Silver, you're doing page 2, and gold, you're doing page 3. Okay, challenge yourself, see how you get on, and sure, you'll be absolute superstars. Off you go.